Hello everyone. Today we will understand the end valve in the pneumatics. So end valve, which is also known as a two pressure valve and a twin pressure valve. Okay. So end valves follow the simple rule. Okay. When two input is present, then output will be there. And if any one input is off, then there is a no output. Okay. So this is the end valve. So you can see in end valve there is a two input port and one is the output port. Okay, so here I make a circuit of the end valve. First you can see that this is the single acting cylinder. This is the single pilot 5x2 valve spring return. This is the end valve, and this both is the signal valve, which is also this input 1 and this is the input 2. Here I will demonstrate the one circuit. So if I am on this circuit, if I am pushing only input 1, so you can see there is a no output. If I am pushing both input, so you can see the cylinder is extract and you can see the output. Okay, so here I will give the applications. It will be used in a safety for machines. So in press machines, when I press the both button with the hand, so then it machine will start because of the safety reasons. Okay, and also in automobiles. Okay, when I press the clutch and turn on the ignition key, then after engine will start. Okay. Here I am creating the truth table of the end valve. Okay, so for that, if first one is input 1 and last one is the output. So this is the input 1, this one is the input 2 and this is the output. In this truth table 1, it means that there is an air flow is there, and 0 it means the no air flow. Okay, so if I didn't press the switch 1 and switch 2, so there is a no output. Okay, if I press the switch number 1 and didn't press switch number 2, so there is a no output. Okay, I didn't press switch number 1 and I press switch number 2. Okay, so there is a no output. If I press both the switch, so there is an output. Okay, so this is the truth table of the end valve. Thank you.